my name is Carmen, and this is my little brother Hans. Say hi, Hans.
Hi.
My name is Hans.
My name is Hans and I'm just 4 years old.
Yes, he's 4 years old. And today, me and Hans are gonna play fidget trading.
Yes, it's going to be really awesome and fun.
Yeah. Okay, Hans. Okay, Hans, what do you want to trade for me?
I want to trade you.
Okay, then I'm gonna trade you your puppet. Your turn. I think I'll go take more toys. Hans, that's too much. I think I'll go take. I'll go take. Thank you.
I want this. No.
Take. Okay, take. Then take the one.
I'm mixing your toys.
Okay, Hans. Then what do you want to trade me next? Hans, what do you want to trade me next? Hans, what do you want to treat me next? We're doing a video right now. Okay. How do you feel this?
Can you reach until here? Okay, bye-bye. Bing, bang, bing, bang.
Take. Just take whatever. Okay, what next you want to treat me? Now what next you want to treat me? Your doggy!
Okay, I'll bang my doggy. OT pang.
He's not making a perfect video.
Oh, see my back.
I don't know how to do it again.
That's so
Okay, take. This is what I have. Why do you want to treat me?
only you have 2 left.
Yes.
I let you take your daddy.
No, never, ever. Nah. This is what I have already. Now take this and take that. Nah.
That's enough.
Just take that. Great.
I have more toys here.
That is it for my video. If you like my video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Bye everyone. Bye everyone.
I have so